In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change manager in BambooHR. If you handle HR, people ops, or you're a team lead with the right permissions, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to update an employee's manager in a clear, reliable way. We'll keep it simple, but I'll also share helpful context so you know what to expect at each step. Start by opening your BambooHR account in your browser and signing in. From the main dashboard, look for the People option in the top navigation. This is where you can view everyone in your organization. Click People to open the employee directory. Next, locate the employee whose manager you need to change. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find their profile quickly. When you see the correct employee, click their name to open their profile page. Inside the employee's profile, look toward the top area of the page for a control labeled Request a Change. It may appear as a button or a drop-down depending on your account's layout. Click Request a Change to reveal the available change options. From the options that appear, select Job Information. This takes you to the section where the employee's job-related details live, including department, title, and reporting structure. In the Job Information page, find the field called Reports To. This is the Manager field. Click into that field to open the list of eligible managers, or start typing the manager's name to search. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct person, especially if there are similar names in your organization. If your company has multiple locations or departments, verifying the correct manager here prevents downstream confusion. Once you've selected the right manager, review the change on screen to make sure it looks accurate. When you're ready, click Submit to save the update. After submission, BambooHR will apply the new reporting relationship. In many setups, this automatically updates the org chart and can adjust access for approvals and notifications. Depending on your company's workflow, the change may route for approval before it becomes visible to everyone, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. If you don't see the People tab, the Request a Change option, or the Job Information section, you may not have the permissions required to make this update. In that case, reach out to your BambooHR administrator to request access or to have them complete the change for you. And that's it. You've updated an employee's manager in BambooHR quickly and correctly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want a quick refresher.